and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Duvolle flat iron. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. So this is what the front of the box looks like. So this is what it looks like when you first open the box. So this flat iron has a power on and off button and 5 pre-programmed digital settings. This flat iron also has a 360-degree swivel cord. And this flat iron has tourmaline ceramic plates to give you more shine and less frizz. Now I also want to mention that the link to this flat iron is down in the description box below. So this is my hair before I use the flat iron. And this is my hair after. So I cannot really see that much of a difference in my hair, but that is also probably just because my hair is already pretty naturally straight. So no matter what flat iron I use, you don't really see much of a difference. But I do think that you would see a lot of a difference in somebody's hair that had like frizzy or textured hair. I also want to tell you some of the really cool facts about this flat iron. Number 1. This is a professional flat iron. Number 2, this flat iron has tourmaline ceramic plates. Number 3, this flat iron has high performance heating elements for even heat. Number 4, this flat iron uses negative ion technology to give hair more shine and less frizz. Number 5, this flat iron has instant heating and variable temperature settings. Number 6, this flat iron uses infrared heat technology. Number 7, this flat iron has a lightweight body. And number 8, this flat iron has an ergonomic soft touch grip. If you want to get notified every time we post a video, just click subscribe and hit that little bell notification to become part of our HurriKids family. We love you guys so much. Bye!